In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how to draw a custom shape using the built-in pen tool. Custom shapes allow you to create unique designs instead of just rectangles or circles. You can draw arrows, abstract shapes, panels, or any creative graphic element. Let's begin. Go to the toolbar and select the pen tool under the shape tools. Now move to the program monitor. Click once to create your first point. Click again in a different spot to create another point. Each click creates a new anchor point connected by lines. If you click and drag instead of just clicking, you can create curved edges. Continue clicking around to form your desired shape. When you click back on the first point, the shape will close automatically. As soon as the shape is completed, Premiere creates a new graphic layer in your timeline. Select that layer. Now go to the Properties panel. Here you can change the fill color, adjust the stroke, modify the thickness, and reposition the shape. You can also animate it by enabling the stopwatch next to position, scale, or opacity in the transform section. This allows you to create custom animated graphics directly inside Premiere Pro. And that's it. You now know how to draw a custom shape in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.